The 7 Steps to Health and the Big Diabetes Lie. Step-by-Step Health Guide. The 7 Steps to Health and the Big Diabetes Lie is an easy-to-read and understand step-by-step health guide which has already been used to help tens of thousands of diabetics all over the world. It's the result of assembling hundreds of suppressed scientific studies and powerful medical research. Most doctors only talk about diabetes treatment, diabetes management and diabetic control using drugs, pills, injections and surgery, when powerful, quick and easy drug-free treatment methods exist. Now you can learn the truth about these life-changing scientifically proven diabetes treatment methods. After that, you will be able to stop taking any more drugs, injecting insulin or worrying about horrible complications. Diabetes Breakthrough. Last year, a selected team of doctors helped 17,542 type 2 diabetics end the need for prescription drugs, insulin injections and blood sugar monitoring. They used a diabetes breakthrough which is twice as effective as the leading type 2 drug at normalizing blood sugar, fixing insulin resistance, stopping neuropathy pain, preventing blindness, amputations and other diabetes problems. These techniques have been used successfully by tens of thousands of people in over 40 countries, and have helped type 2 diabetics eliminate the need for drugs and insulin injections, while helping type 1s greatly reduce their drug and injection dosages. Countless studies from scientists and doctors all over the world have proven that people with type 2 diabetes can normalize blood sugar, increase insulin sensitivity, end neuropathy pain, lower risk of blindness, amputations and be taken off all diabetes drugs and insulin injections. Patients with type 1 diabetes are also able to greatly reduce drug and insulin dosages, while lowering blood sugar. A cold hard truth. By living with diabetes, and by taking your prescribed medication, you are under the constant daily threat of dying of a heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, succumbing to blindness, amputations, neuropathy, hypertension, nerve system disease, high cholesterol, depression, and falling into a coma. Those are just the side effects of living with diabetes. You should add the side effects from the drugs that are supposed to help you: hepatitis, liver problems, acidosis leading to death within hours, heart attacks, stroke, increased risk of cancer, weakened immune system, vomiting, nausea, diarrhea, heart failure, etc. It has been scientifically proven that simply treating diabetes with conventional methods does not stop the disease. Over time, diabetics are prescribed higher and higher dosages of drugs. Then when those fail, they get prescribed insulin injections on top of drugs. It doesn't matter if you follow your doctor's recommendations and dosages exactly as prescribed. Your health will get worse. The drugs you take will fail. The insulin injections you take will also fail. The root cause of diabetes. Some people can walk around with blood sugar as high as 300 without having diabetes. On February 2015, scientists and researchers at the University of California proved that type 2 diabetes is caused by inflammation. They discovered that an inflammatory molecule called LTB4 causes insulin resistance. Insulin resistance leads to high blood sugar and diabetes. This is the reason why treating your blood sugar with drugs and injecting insulin to combat insulin sensitivity will never heal your diabetes, because you aren't treating the root cause of diabetes, just the symptoms of it. Drugs treat symptoms, not disease. The symptoms of diabetes are high blood sugar and insulin resistance. Doctors prescribe pills to lower blood sugar and insulin to help with insulin resistance. But this is not treating diabetes itself, it's just treating the symptoms of it. So you are still sick, you still have a problem, even if you feel a little better. What you do every single day, by taking diabetes drugs or insulin, is not treating diabetes, you are just treating the high blood sugar and insulin resistance. This is precisely why no prescription drug or insulin injection has ever prevented, stopped, or reversed diabetes, and yet they are the only things doctors prescribe. Compared to natural nutrition-based treatments that actually have prevented and totally reversed type 2 diabetes, doctors still only prescribe completely useless and very dangerous drugs. Losing weight. From the day you've been diagnosed, everyone has been saying the same old thing. Lose weight. Actually, shedding a few pounds isn't going to hurt. It's quite beneficial indeed, but weight loss by itself is no cure. Scientists discovered that it's actually the food you eat that can make or break diabetes. A large study done at the University of California discovered that, contrary to common belief, type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome can be reversed solely through lifestyle changes. And these people didn't have to lose tons of weight. The changes occurred in the absence of major weight loss. Dangerous drugs. Not only are diabetes drugs ineffective at attacking the root cause of your diabetes, they are extremely dangerous too. Over 100,000 people die every single year from drugs properly prescribed by their doctor. Not only could your diabetes kill you, but the drugs you are taking could take you down any day too. Diabetes drugs artificially adjust your blood sugar. They don't do anything to address the root cause of your disease. They are only made to treat and manage. So you still live with the constant daily threat of heart attacks, stroke, kidney failure, limb amputations, dementia, hypertension, nerve system disease, high cholesterol, depression, coma, and blindness. It is quite obvious that drugs and injections aren't helping eliminate diabetes. It has been decades since these treatments came out, and yet the rates of diabetes aren't decreasing. They are actually growing. Try something better. It's time to try something that's been scientifically proven to work better, faster, and is cheaper and safer than prescription drugs. Tried and tested methods that attack the root cause of diabetes. You deserve to know the truth about the medical system, food and drug system, and health policy. You deserve to be informed about the variety of safer, cheaper, and faster methods other than drugs, injections, or surgery for treating and beating your diabetes. You can use this framework of knowledge to begin your path to health today. You can take your health back into your own hands. You can free yourself from the shackles of constant blood sugar readings, daily drug regimens, and even prevent the horrible health complications that await diabetics down the road. For further information about the 7 steps to health and the big diabetes lie, please visit the following website or simply click on the link in the description below.